In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit interior photos in Luminar Neo. We'll walk through a clean, reliable workflow that takes your indoor shots from flat to polished, whether you're editing real estate, architecture, or cozy home interiors. Start by opening your photo in the Edit workspace, or add images via the catalog if you're building a project. If you shot in RAW, you'll have more latitude to recover highlights, adjust white balance, and refine detail, which is especially helpful with tricky indoor lighting. Begin with basic corrections. Interiors often mix window daylight with warm indoor bulbs, so get exposure and color right early. Raise exposure until the room feels bright and welcoming, but keep an eye on the highlights so windows don't blow out. A small contrast boost adds structure without making surfaces harsh. For color, use the white balance tool and click a truly neutral area, like a white wall or ceiling. Then fine-tune temperature and tint so the scene looks natural. Avoid overly yellow or green casts. Next, let the AI tools give you a head start. Enhance AI, sometimes labeled Accent or AI Enhance, is a great first sweep. One slider smartly balances exposure, contrast, and color, breathing life into a flat frame. Follow with Relight AI to balance bright windows against darker corners. Increase brightness, near to lift room details, and adjust brightness far to keep window views from clipping. Fix geometry and perspective to make the space feel professional. Use crop or transform to straighten vertical and horizontal lines so walls, doors, and window frames are true. Aligning key architectural elements instantly elevates the image. Refine color and detail. With HSL or color tools, gently raise vibrance for a lively but natural look, and tweak hue selectively to keep walls warm and shadows neutral. Structure AI adds crisp texture to wood, fabric, and decor without over-sharpening flat areas. Apply it with restraint. Address the common bright window, dark room problem with targeted masks. A gradient or color mask lets you lower window brightness or lighten shadowy corners without affecting the whole scene. Subtle, localized adjustments are the secret to a balanced interior. Clean up distractions using the Erase tool. Remove small clutter, stray wires, and blemishes, zooming in to tidy surfaces until they look intentionally styled. Finish with a soft vignette to guide the eye toward the center. Then check for noise or artifacts and reduce them as needed. When exporting, choose an appropriate color space and size. sRGB is a safe choice for web, and larger dimensions suit print. And that's your streamlined interior editing workflow in Luminar Neo.